Hi everybody, I'm Martin. Today we're going to learn how to use adjectives that finish in either ed or ing. Now, learning a new language can sometimes be quite confusing. And this leaves you confused. This is true, but it's also an example of the difference between ing and ed. So, when we use the past participle as an adjective, the word finishes with the ed. But what does it mean? It means that's how you feel. So, for example, you could say, I'm going on holiday next week. I'm really excited. Because that's how you feel. Or you could talk about the holiday. You could say, my trip to the Amazon is going to be so exciting. Because the trip will provoke the feeling. So it finishes with ing. Let's look at some more. Let's use irritate. So imagine you have a brother that's always borrowing your things. Would you feel irritated? Or would you feel irritating? Well, as it's a feeling, you would feel irritated. And your brother would be irritating. Because he is the reason that you feel irritated. Let's try another one. Imagine you've been working really hard all week. How would you feel when you got home on a Friday evening? Would you feel tired or tiring? You'd feel tired. But the work that you've been doing would be tiring. It's easy, isn't it? But do remember that there are some adjectives which are irregular and don't have the ing ending. For example, impress. You could be impressed with something, but the thing would be impressive. So be careful with those irregularities. See you next time.